mga bi, eto na naman ang masayahin yung florista. Siguro nawiwindang kayo kung bakit ako ang nasa labas ang aga-aga at sikat pa ang araw. Nasa labas ako ngayon at parang tingin nyo namamasyal lang ako. Hindi mga bi. Pinauwi ako ng aking kasama para ayusin yung papers ko. Kasi nga, hindi pa ako nakaka-cancel at overstay na nga ako dito. Kaya ang sabi ko sa kasama ko, sige yung driver ko na lang ang magdi-deliver. Kasi eto, i-deliver kasi yung ginawa kong bulaklak kanina. Kaya isasabay na lang sa kanya. Sayang naman din, di ba? On the way naman din yung location ko sa location nung pagdi-deliveran namin. Kaya medyo ako nag-video kasi medyo kakaiba yung daanan namin, ibang way, hindi tulad sa pinapasukan ko. Kaya nag-video ako para ipakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami magdi-deliver. Ito nga pala i-deliver namin bulaklak na ginawa ko. Magulo rin yung customer kasi nga hindi niya alam kung anong gusto niya. Ilalagay niya sa bag, ilalagay niya sa base, aalisin niya yung bulaklak, tatanggalin niya. Akala kung mali yung ginawa ko, binalik na naman namin uli sa base. Kaya nagkasundo na kami na i-deliver na at ayos na at ilagay na lang doon sa base. Kaya tinatahak na namin kung saan yung location na isinag niya sa amin at tinahanap na namin ng aking driver.
It's supposed to be very clear, huh? Yeah. The side is very beautiful.
Very clear?
Very beautiful.
Wow, very clear.
Very clear on me. They're not clear on the road. What is this?
Very clear for you, ah. Was near in Oman. Oman like that. Guys, parang province na to at alapit na to sa Oman border. Tingnan nyo, puro bundok na siya at saka hindi masyadong madaanan ng mga sasakyan. Walang masyadong mga sasakyan. Pero may mga nakatira dito, guys. Tingnan mo, parang province na siya, dulo na siya. At ang tahimik. Kaya slow lang muna yung aking driver kasi baka maligaw kami, di rin namin alam kasi nga bago lang sa amin ito. Para kang namamasyal sa Jebel Jais. Jebel Jais? Parang sa mountain lang.
Deliver these flowers. My God.
Which left? Such a slight left. She ain't right now.
Kala namin din namin mahanap yung bahay kasi nga tignan mo guys ang bahay ang lalaki ng bahay, mangilan-ngilan lang din naman ng mga bahay. May mga goat pa na naglalakad dito, mga kambing, ang lalaki ng bahay. Tignan nyo guys, diba tahimik, province na yung lugar na ito.
It's a new area.
Yes.
See the beauty of nature. See the rocks. See the mountain. Wow. We ever have roads here, everything. How come we are staying here? God.
Where we go?
We're almost there. 1 minute to our location.
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Maybe on the left. Destinations is in the left. Dito na kami. You can call the lady.
Hello, good evening. Please, I have a flower for you from a tribe flowers. I have a delivery for you from Tribe Flowers. Not for you? Okay. I'm in the location though. Okay, thank you.
Natin kung may doorbell dito. Kasi kausap kong customer, hindi ko maintindihan. Kanina pa mali-mali sa mga in-order niya. Try natin kung may doorbell dito. Ay, ito. Ating doorbell. Yes, ang ganda ng province, oh. May ginagawang bahay. Ang laki, oh. Ay, kailan kaya ako magkakaroon ng ganyan malaking bahay? Diba? Antayin natin kung may lalabas. Guys, papasok tayo, dala ang... Come. Hello, madam. Bibili natin. Bis na tayo. Yeah, it's okay. Delivery success. Okay. Let's go.
Where is the video you took? Where's my video?
This is video.
This is still video recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going to Aldait.
Adate, you don't have direction to Adate from here.
Aldait Tashil.
There are too many taxis in Adate.
You search the baby hub a shortcut there.
Huh? Who says so?
Search there, Aldait Tashil. Maybe have shortcut here.
I'm going to...
Route recalculated.
Taxi in Adate?
Oh.
Then
In
what?
250 meters, slight turn left. Then
Yeah, what you do?
See the mountains. Record the mountains.
I recording already.
Good. See the mountains. These are the mountains of Ras Al Khaimah. Mountains of Ras Al Khaimah are beautiful mountains. They border Oman and other fine cities around.
Receive call.
Hello. Good evening. Yeah, I had flowers to deliver to you, and I was giving your number by a friend of yours. But we'll just deliver the flowers from Tribe Flowers. Yes. From Tribe Flowers.
You said the one
No,
that they did
yeah,
COVID.
we just delivered already. I was calling you before you came out. Yes. Thank you. Well. That's okay.
Okay, you are the tourist guide. Can you can you guide our viewers?
Guide our tourist viewers.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Rose, guide our tourist viewers.
What kind of mountain is this?
This is one of the mountains in Ras Al Khaimah.
That's why maybe he called this place Ras Al Khaimah maybe because of the mountain rocks.
Yeah, too much rocks here. All the way several kilometers from here, you find a lot of
slight
mountains,
turn left.
a lot of
Then
rocks.
slight turn left.
You
In
just
250
need
meters,
natural
slight
beauty
turn
here.
left.
Natural beauty, yeah.
Natural beauty here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye bye.
I tell you. Only this.
Only this for today.
Yeah. Province, huh? In the Africa, have like this, right?
We have like this, yes. We have like this in Africa. But these ones are very... The way they build around here is very beautiful because they go very close to the mountain, to the cleft of the mountains, and they want to get around the mountains, buildings. You can see buildings all around here, fine buildings around the mountains, making it so beautiful. these people know they understand the beauty
Enter
of nature.
roundabout.
Okay?
Third exit.
Can you try to capture one of the buildings there? Capture the building, please. Building there.
There.
Yeah.
If we go there, which place this one? Maybe you lost.
That's the end of the world.
End of the world. Lost and found.
Exit roundabout.
Emirates Road.
Yeah, we're entering Emirates Road now. See the mountains and you see the buildings around it.
Yeah.
So it creates a kind of coolness, especially in the dusk of the day and in the dawn of the day. See, very fantastic, serene environment around here. Very beautiful place. You may want to try this. You can come, let's have a tour.
In
Thank you.
450 meters, keep right.
Again, thank you. I thank you.